Hey guys, this is my early 2000s Exmark Laser Z with a liquid-cooled Kawasaki. I got this at auction at the end of September last year and just shoved it under a cover through winter until, well, last week when I wanted to mow my yard with it. I got it running. It had the fuel pump was hooked up improperly and there was a leak on the tank selector valve. So it was just pumping gas right out the bottom. I bought it and was told it needed an engine, and couldn't be further from the truth on that. Machine runs fairly good. Problem is the hydraulics are extremely touchy. These are the steering dampers, and they seem to have zero resistance whatsoever. And they're not the original ones either. I'm gonna change these out and see if there's a difference, as they were like 25 bucks online. Somebody already replaced that pump right there, and the factory one is still there. So let's test drive this so you guys can see how jerky it is and change those dampers out and see how it goes. I want to use this mower to take care of property because it has anti-scalp wheels at the front of the deck, and my Gravely does not, and tends to scalp pretty bad on hills. I'll show you how jerky it is, and let's get those steering dampers taken care of. Let's get to work. First, pull the battery out, so you got access on either side. I'll bring you back when I'm there. Like so. Pliers, whatever you got on the nut there. Pull both sides out and get that dampener out. These are the old steering dampers. That's clearly no good. Here's the other one. That's doing nothing. These are the new ones. Way better. Well, let's get these on. There we go. Steering dampers changed out on both sides. Battery back in. This is the part number for the new dampers. Let's get this thing tested out, see if it actually changed anything. That worked absolutely amazing. Feels like a different machine. There's tension on your steering levers, and it's not jerky at all anymore. One problem taken care of. Now I can take care of my properties. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.